Hello students, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to cover the Prelude by William Wordsworth for MEG01 British Poetry IGNOU students. I hope आप सभी लोग बहुत अच्छी हेल्थ में होंगे और अपने हाइजीन का पूरा ख्याल रख रहे होंगे. Let us defeat this coronavirus together. Let us start the video now. Please do not forget to share and subscribe the channel and put your valuable feedback in the comments. प्रिल्यूड एक बड़ा टॉपिक है तो हमारा वीडियो 4 पार्ट्स में होगा. आइए अब जानते हैं विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ के बारे में. विलियम वर्ड्स, जैसा कि आप में से बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स जानते होंगे, वॉज अ ग्रेटेस्ट पोएट ऑफ 19th century romantic revival, and he wrote Prelude, a long autobiographical poem in 14 books in 1800 when he was around 30 and at the pinnacle of his poetic talent, at the peak point of his poetic talent. Wordsworth's best poetry came during 10 years between 1798 and 1808, and of his best poems, The Prelude, for its bulk, philosophy, seriousness, sensuousness of purpose, and tonal quality, voice quality, is the greatest also. The long poem of 7,883 lines in blank verse is an epic of a very special type. Its story is in the account of the growth of a spirit, the development of an awareness, the evolution of a sensitive mind. अब जानते हैं थोड़ा रोमांटिक पोइट्री के बारे में. रोमांटिक पोइट्री के बारे में अगर हम एक लाइन में कहें तो रोमांटिक पोइट्री हमें हमारे नेचर से मिलाने का काम करती है. रोमांटिक पोइट्री इज़ एन अटेम्प्ट टू एस्टैब्लिश अ काइंड ऑफ हार्मनी बिटवीन external and internal, harmony between finite and infinite. It is kind of a swing between outfit and the essence, between living and life, between a person and nature, between heaven and home. विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ, जिन्होंने ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत पोइट्री प्रिल्यूड लिखी है, उनका जन्म 7 अप्रैल 1770 को हुआ था. And his sister Dorothy, with whom he had a close, friendly relationship throughout his poetic career, was born on September 25 next year at the same place. डॉरथी और विलियम के बीच में एक बहुत ही गहरा रिश्ता रहा था. डॉरथी बहुत बार विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ को और इवन उनके दोस्त एस.टी. कॉलरिज को उनके टेक्स्ट्स में हेल्प किया करती थी, एनकरेज किया करती थी, इंस्पायर किया करती थी. Wordsworth's first published poem, Sonnet, on seeing Miss Helen Maria Williams weeps at tale of distress, appeared in the European magazine in March 1787. An evening walk with a romantic poem for nature lovers was written the year the French Revolution started with the storming of Bastille War in 1789. In 1790, Wordsworth had a walking tour of France, and he came back to England in early 1791 and returned to France later in the year to see all the revolutionary activities in Paris. 1795 में वर्ड्सवर्थ और एस.टी. कॉलरिज एक दूसरे के बहुत क्लोज हो गए थे, एंड दिस फाइनली रिजल्टेड इन द जॉइंट ऑथरशिप ऑफ द लिरिकल बैलेड 1798. This very year, Wordsworth wrote some autobiographical verses which was the foundation of Prelude. And the last decade of 18th century saw a reign of terror in France with the meteoric rise of Napoleon. In 1802, Wordsworth wrote much lyrical poetry and published a new edition of Lyrical Ballads with revised preface to Lyrical Ballad. Please do watch the second part of the video to go to the introduction of the Prelude. Please provide your valuable feedback in the comment and do watch, share and subscribe the channel. Best of luck for your exams.